From Japan's #1 remittance company, we present you JRFUmart, your new convenient and safe online store. So are you ready to shop? Simply go to JRFUmart.com and log in. Now go browse and shop away with Umart's numerous merchants and product offerings. Upon selecting an item, you may be asked to provide the delivery location. Kindly select the shipping location from the drop box, then click Submit. You may add to cart an item, or simply click Buy Now. Then choose your shipping address. And for payment option, go ahead and choose JRF Pay. Enter your JRF Pay email and your JRF Pay PIN. Type your registered email for the one-time password. Once you retrieve the one-time password, go back to the website and enter the OTP. Then finally, click Checkout. Congratulations! Your order is now placed successfully. You may also click on Order Details to double-check your purchase or order. It's that simple. Easy, convenient, and safe shopping is just within your reach. Shop now at JRFUmart, the JRF Pay.